Hi, today I'm going to show you one of the best launcher for the Android. It's called Launcher 2. What you have to do, go to your Play Store, download this Launcher 2 and install it. Once you install, you just open it, and once you install, just open it. So once you install it, open it, and then what you have to do, make that launcher as a default launcher for you. Able to do it, just hit your home button. Once you hit the home button, it will give you the options. Your phone might look different, but I'm just gonna say use as a default app, and I'm gonna say launcher, and I say click OK. Once I do that, it will make my Lawnchair as my default launcher. And on this cell phone, normally you have three places. One is your desktop, this is one, and then your is dock. These five icons, that belongs to your dock. And then when you swipe up, this is your draw. So desktop, dock, and draw, these are your three main places. So once you make this default, and what you have to do, let me show you how you can change the settings for your desktop. So just click on it, any empty space, go to the home settings, go to the themes, go to that's all what I lose normally. You change the themes, and I leave as everything as it is. You can also change the fonts if you want. You go to the change the fonts, and I just use actor. Some of them fonts give you the more options like here, and some of the font just does not have any more options, so I just use this one. And now my desktop, I like to have more icons, so what I'm gonna do, press and hold, go to the home settings, and then go to my desktop, change the grid from 7 8 to 7, 7 to 8, whatever you like it. And then right now they are staying too close, so I'm just gonna go back, settings, desktop, text size, I'm just gonna say 84, icon on, so I'm just gonna 90. So that's how you change um, the desktop icons. And then you go to your dock. I don't like this search bar, so I'm just gonna disconnect the search bar. On the dock, I can go 6, 7, 8 icons, whatever you want. Let me change it to the 6, and then I can add more stuff. All these chunk apps came with the stock, so you can add up to 6, 7 icons. And you can see the icons are the headings, not the heading, the app names are cutting off. So what I'm gonna do, go to the home settings, go to the desktop, and then text size, I'm just gonna say 76. So now they are showing up. So I set it up my themes, I set it on my desktop, I set it up my dock. So now I gotta set up my drawer. So I'm just gonna go to the home settings, and then I go to the draw, and then I change the column. I could go up to 9, 6, 4. I normally like to have 8. So now I have 8 icons in the row, and you can see the distance between the row are too much. So I'm just gonna set up properly. So I just go back, go to the settings. I'm under the draw. I just gonna say row height is 0. I don't want it any space. Since the icons are big, I'm just gonna cut it off to the 75%, or probably somewhere 84. Text size, I'm gonna go 86, and I leave everything as it is. I also cut off the search bar. I don't like it. So if I go back to the draw, let me see what I made the settings. So right now that's how it looks. For some people, for me it's okay, but some people it's just too congested. And so what can you do, just go back home settings, under the draw, change 8 to 7, and now you have well sprayed. So whatever you like it. See, this is the stock base cell phone with so many junk apps installed, and if you don't have a root, you cannot uninstall some of them, like just Google Play and stuff like that. So you have two options. If I go to the apps, see, I don't have any option to uninstall. Some of them app I can uninstall, like this one. If let me go app info, I can uninstall this, but some of them system app I cannot uninstall. See, so these are junk mails comes with the your stock base. So that's why I like rooted phone, because you can take all that out. Also, if you don't use Facebook and you want to take this off, what you can do is just press and hold. Cool feature with this app, you can hide the junk app showing up. So hold and press, go home settings, go to the draw, hide app shortcuts, and you can hide all these junky apps. On rooted phone you can take these off, but this is running right now in the stock, you cannot take these off. Only way you can take them off if you just hide them, but they're still gonna run on your background. So I'm just basically hiding all this junk. Look at this mess. And people ask me why you like rooted phones. That's the reason. This is nothing, just junk piled up by the companies. So you basically 42, and now it is nice and clean. Also, within settings, you go to home settings and use this backup and restore feature. You can create another backup and then you go restore that backup if you want to. So everything makes this application so amazing, and I highly recommend you to use it. Thank you and have a good day.